Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, September 17, 2021. Today is September options expiration day, and the market's been kind of trading sideways after that sell-off the last week or so, and we are currently trading right in the middle of yesterday's range in the overnight session. So today we'll be looking at what has happened historically when you open within the prior day range on options expiration day in a similar market environment. So let me go ahead and get it set up. I've got all four instruments selected. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently we are trading right in the middle of yesterday's range, right around the midpoint. So I'm going to select for the opening area, open in prior day range. I'm going to hit equals right there to add it to the test. And then next, I'm going to go into the indicators library. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment. We have sold off the highs, so I'm going to put us below a 10-day simple moving average, but we're still well above the 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the market events library, and I'm going to say that it is options expiration day. So I can grab that top option here from the active today section. That comes from our market events library. If I scroll down just a little bit here, you'll be able to see where it's at. And now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When it is options expiration day, you're in a weak bull environment and you open within the prior day range. Historically, we've got 27 samples for the S&P dating back to 2003. The NASDAQ has 45, the Dow 30, and the Russell 33. If we look at the win rates on them, you'll see the S&P coming in pretty weak there at 40% of those closing above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 42%. The Dow is coming in a bit more neutral at 53%, and the Russell's the strongest of the group at 61%. So win rates a little bit mixed, but the S&P and NASDAQ fairly weak in this scenario. If we look at the average win, average loss, you'll see that the average loss is larger than the average win for the S&P and for the NASDAQ, the two weakest win rates there. If you look at them in the Dow and the Russell, the Dow is more similar in size, but the Russell has a larger average loss like the others. So the average loss a little bit larger on average. Win rates are mixed overall, but S&P and NASDAQ have been weaker. You can see that in the equity curves as well. The blue equity curve is the S&P, so you can see that one's kind of steadily marching lower, and the NASDAQ's typically a weaker instrument on options expiration day. It has the weakest equity curve here. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.